Creating high-end interactive sections shouldn't take hours. Today we're using the ElementsKit Advanced Tab widget to build pro-level layouts in minutes. Just a heads up, the Advanced Tab is a pro feature. Navigate to the ElementsKit dashboard and ensure the ElementsKit Advanced Tab widget is toggled on. Let's skip the manual setup. Start editing the page where you want to show tab content to visitors. Then open the ElementsKit library. From Sections, search Advanced Tab. Then you can choose the one you need. Then click Insert. It's the fastest way to get a polished look. Now let's make it yours. Here, under the Content tab, you can easily change the tab title and subtitle for each item. You can also swap out the icons to match your specific categories. Here, you have the styles, horizontal and vertical. If you select vertical, it will look like that. I'm keeping it as horizontal. There is another option which is called Show Caret. If you click, it will show like this. Then there is an option which is full white nav. So here the headlines have covered the line. There is another option which is nav icon position. Right, left, top, bottom. If you click right, it will look like that. But I'm keeping it as left. Here we can see that icon spacing. You can customize it, but I'm keeping it like this. It's looking pretty well here. And then we have nav alignment, left, center, and then right. So the center looks pretty well. And the nav content alignment also left, center, and right. And nav item alignment, you can also customize this. Then there is another option which is called Enable URL Hash. If you click, then the URL hash will be enabled. There, you can see that we have in tab content breakfast. The title is called breakfast. You can change the title. You can also add the subtitle here. Also, you can add the title icon from icon library. Then, same option goes for the lunch and the dinner. You can also add items as per your need. Well, time to refine the UI. In the Style tab, we have total control. Adjust the width and padding for a balanced look. Pick your brand typography and set your text colors to ensure everything stays on brand. So, time to refine the UI. In the Style tab, we have total control. Adjust the width and padding for a balanced look. Pick your brand typography and set your text colors to ensure everything stays on brand. So you can change the padding, the margin, and the border type. I'm keeping it as default, but you have options solid, double, dotted, and others. Here we have border radius. See, the edges are getting a little smoother. If you want to make it sharp, you can keep it in -1. I'm keeping it in 0. Okay. We have a box shadow. If you want to add shadows in your boxes, then you can use these options. Here you can add the shadows on horizontal, vertical, blur, spread. So do it as per your need. Then we have options called nav item, body, and wrapper. And then at last we have subtitle. In the subtitle, you can change the typography and the colors, where we have the margins. So if you want to edit the content, here is an option called Edit Content. Click here, then you will move into Widget area. From here, you can search your desired widget and you can add it here. So I'm keeping it as same. Then we have Advanced options. If you want to add advanced settings, you can go to the Advanced tab and you can complete your work here. Then for total creative freedom, use the template content type. This allows you to design a layout on Elementor and drop into a tab for a truly custom interactive experience. From here, you can search Advanced tab. With the eKit badge, you can drag and drop it here, and after that, you can customize it as your own. Now, don't forget mobile users. Use the responsive settings to make sure your tabs stack correctly and look sharp on every screen size. So that's how you can check it, if it's working properly or not. So that was all. That's how you build interactive pro-level tabs fast. Check the link in the description to grab ElementsKit Pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.